take you from there. You wanna hold your shirt?
You got it?
Get anything on you?
Stay with him.
I'm at my house.
Okay, I don't know. I'm asking you.
Gervonta.
Gervonta, what?
Gervonta.
Gervonta is your first name?
Yeah.
Okay, what's your last name?
Davis.
Gervonta Davis.
Am 27. Dezember 2022 erreichte ein schrecklicher Anruf den Sheriff des Broward County. Eine Frau, von Angst um ihr Leben erfüllt, flehte um Hilfe. Inmitten eines hitzigen Streits meldete sie einen schmerzhaften Schlag ins Gesicht durch ihren Lebenspartner. Der Tatverdächtige entpupelte sich als keiner anderer als der unbesiegbare Profiboxer Gervonta Davis.
Help me! Ma'am, repeat the address. I need to send units to you. I need the address. Please help me! You're gonna kill me! Ma'am, what's the address? Please.
All right, you come over here. You come over here, please, and stand with him. With my partner.
Yes, sir.
What
Any
is that?
weapons on you?
Huh? What is that?
The charger, man.
Yeah.
Okay.
Get anything on you?
Stay with him.
I'm at my house.
Okay, I don't know. I'm asking you. Did I ask you? Who was in the car?
This is my car. She took my
Who
car.
is she to you?
We'll just be right here.
My child mother.
Oh, okay. All right. Does she have any weapons?
No.
All right. Just put down your phone for now, sir. What's your name?
Gervonta.
Gervonta. What?
Gervonta. She's trying to take my car, and I don't want her to take my car.
She's trying to leave?
Yeah, she's trying to. But I got a driver to be able to take her wherever she want to go.
That works. All right. Who else is in the house?
Not for sure.
Who you live with?
Oh, my daughter and my other daughter.
Okay. How old is she?
4. She 4.
Okay.
I don't want people to see me.
Let's just come up here.
Nach Befragung durch die Polizei über den Vorfall brachte die Frau die erschütternde Behauptung vor den Kindern geschlagen worden zu sein, während er das Gegenteil behauptete.
What the hell, bro?
You know, people just...
All right, sir. What's your side of this?
She's trying to take my car. This is my truck. All my keys is placed on the counter in there. She took my car key and she's trying to leave with my car.
Okay.
That's it.
Where does she live?
Huh?
Where does she live? Where does she
I don't
live?
know her exact address, but
Does she live in Canada? Does she live in the United States?
Come on, man. Y'all,
No, but she's local though. She's visiting.
she's local.
She live in Parkland?
No, she don't live in Parkland.
What city does she live in? Help me out.
I don't know. She can tell you better than that. You were just talking to her.
I know, but I'm asking you.
Where's she trying to go with it?
I'm new. I mean, I just moved here a year ago. I don't know what part of it.
That's your baby?
Yes, that's my daughter.
Does the baby live with you or with her?
With her.
And you don't know where your baby lives?
You trying to make this about...
I'm trying to find out what happened.
Okay, wasn't you just talking to her? Can she provide all them information to you?
Well, let me ask you this. I was just talking to her. What if she told me that you beat the piss out of her and you jumped on top of her and started punching her in the face? Should I just go ahead and take that as...
Okay, but don't you know...
It's your side of the story. Give your side.
Have you just talking to her though? What the information that she gave you? Can't she tell you?
You want me to just take everything she says?
I'm not from here.
Okay, but you want me to just take everything she says as fact?
All I'm just saying is I'm not from here. I don't know her exact address.
Okay, that's fine.
That's what I'm saying.
I'm not asking for her exact address. How did she get here?
She drove with my car. Yes, my car.
To get here?
Yes, my car.
Okay.
Yes.
Did you give her that car?
No, I did not.
Did you let her drive that car?
Yes. I let her drive, move around with my car.
Well, she got here. From wherever she lives, she drove the car here, so she takes the car home.
No, she don't. That's
drop off 5851 Holbrook Road.
Is it in your name?
All these cars right here is under my
Yes,
name.
You want her to leave today?
Yes, I want her to leave.
How is she supposed to leave?
It's 1329.
I have a
Can she get it right? You said you have a driver.
Hold on, just hold on.
Yes.
How is she going to leave?
You trying to make
How is she gonna leave? What do you mean? What do I
I
mean?
have somebody that I have a driver that will take her wherever.
Get him over here then. If you're gonna kick someone out of your house, you know.
Sir, you don't have to. You don't have to do that. You don't have to do that. You don't have to do that.
I don't have to. I'm sorry. I don't have to do what?
Tower, Bravo, 17 miles to me.
Did you put your hands on her?
No, I did not. Of course, she gonna tell you if she. Okay,
did.
well, okay.
I'm
Why
just
did you ask
asking
me
you.
that? Why did you ask me
Because that's
that?
my job, my man. That's my job.
Ali.
Nach dem Verhör des Opfers kehrte der Polizist verzweifelt zurück, zweifelnd an Davis' Geschichte, da er nicht einmal ihre Adresse kannte. Die ganze Situation provozierte Davis sehr.
Everything's done for you. Thank you.
He hit you like behind the ear, kind of in the head,
Here, my head.
where your hand is.
Yes.
Is it swollen or anything?
No, it just hurts.
It just hurts.
Yes.
Okay, so he hit you like that. Then how about the lip? How did that happen?
Because how he hit me, like probably like with the hand, but I don't.
So that was one strike
Yes.
that got both the side of your head and then
This side of my face.
came across the side of your face and caught your lip, and your lip like looks like it probably hit your tooth inside your mouth and caused a little abrasion there. Hey, listen, this is going a little bit different now. She's alleging that you hit her.
Of course, she's gonna say that.
Okay, but-
Because she wanted. Come on, bro.
This is a good thing, is that you got cameras all over your house. So if you hit her, it will be on camera, right?
Yeah.
Just like if you didn't hit her, it would be on camera.
Yeah. Of course,
Okay.
she's gonna say that.
Well,
But the only thing is, I gotta wait till the driver get here because he's the one that works the
the
camera.
cameras? Okay. All right, well, we're not going anywhere. Is this your driver?
No.
Oh. How you doing? How you doing, sir? Good. All right. We're just waiting. My supervisor's coming over.
You see what's going on.
I'm sorry?
You see what's going on. She just want to say
You know, to be honest with you, I don't know what's going on because she's saying you hit her. She does have a mark on her lip, and it's under.
I have a mark right here.
Did she hit you? You know, she was getting ready to leave
So why she
because
said
then
that-
she told the other deputy that you hit her.
Right. So she want something to happen since I.
Well, maybe she does. Maybe she does. But this is what happens when when folks don't get along. You know, I got to figure it out. You're being a little evasive with me. You know.
Oh.
Because every time I ask you a question, you suck your teeth and you say, "Oh, come on, man, you know what's going on." You're not giving me any really straight answers. I asked you to give me your driver's license, you bring me out a passport. You know, I mean, I asked to see your daughter. You said no, I don't want her to see the police.
I showed you her. I showed you.
You
her.
did, but I wanted to see her, and now I'm gonna have to talk to her because she said that when you hit her, it was in front of her, the baby, the 4-year-old. Because you're gonna go to jail.
Turn around.
For battery,
Turn around.
domestic violence.
Put your hands behind your back.
You got handcuffs?
Mit Handschellen gefesselt und dem Gefängnis entgegengeführt, spiegelt sich die Enttäuschung in Davis' Gesicht wider.
Hey, the little one inside.
You don't gotta ask me, bro.
Well, we need to make sure she's with somebody.
She's okay. She's with somebody.
Okay, listen, I get you that you're upset, but we can't just say.
Tight.
What's your first name? What's your first name? We can't just say that she's just with somebody. We have a duty to make sure that she's with the right people. Okay, so where's the mother of that child? What's his first name?
Gervonta.
Gervonta.
Listen real quick. It's either that.
Ain't no more talking.
No, there is more talking
It's
because
not,
otherwise.
it's not.
So you
It's not.
would rather we take the child
Y'all
to
can't go
to
walk in.
DCF?
So I just said somewhere in there. Y'all cannot walk into my house. No,
Yeah,
y'all can.
yeah,
No,
we
y'all
can.
cannot. No, y'all cannot.
Okay.
I
So
cannot walk
what we're
into
gonna
my
do,
house.
what we're gonna do is going to end up calling Child Protective Services, and Child Protective Services will come out here, and Child Protective Services will take custody of the kid.
I just said somebody in there.
Yeah, but I don't know who that someone is,
Okay.
and I can't just leave your daughter or your son with somebody. That's my point. We're looking out for you.
Die Polizei wollte herausfinden, wo die Mutter der Kinder ist und ob sie in guten Händen sind, aber Davis zeigt sich plötzlich unkooperativ.
Who's he? Who's he? Okay.
Can you explain to me what's going on?
He's going to jail for domestic violence. Okay. I'm trying to explain to him. He has a 4-year-old inside the house. Okay. We have to make sure that 4-year-old is with someone that can be trusted, that he's okay with, and that we're okay with. Okay. He's playing hard with us right now because I get it that he's upset, but we can't just leave the 4-year-old here without double checking who that 4-year-old is with. Where is the mother of the child? Where we can try to get the mother of the child to come over here. I get he's upset, but we still have to watch out for the 4-year-old.
Okay.
Okay.
I understand.
So, but it's not just he doesn't understand. It's not just somebody. We have to. We can't just
He's
leave
right
the
here.
4-year-old
He's
out.
I'm right here. Listen,
The manager's right here.
I know
So
his.
what-
I know
Where
his
is the
daughter.
mother?
The mother's not here.
Where is she?
She's not here. She's not in the state.
Yeah, she doesn't live in Florida.
She don't live here.
You have custody?
Yes.
Okay.
And you're good with him, your manager?
Yes.
You know what I mean?
Can you give me the basis of the arrest?
Domestic violence.
Okay. On what premise?
He struck her.
Okay.
Well-
What proof do you have of that?
We have.
Because obviously he has a gash on his face. He was
Okay,
struck.
listen.
Go ahead.
We have domestic violence. He struck her. He's going to go to jail. We can't. He has to go to jail.
Okay. Now
You cannot strike somebody.
Hold on. Hold on. Do you have that wish do you have that
Yeah,
on?
I see
Pictures
everything. And I
of
see the
anything.
mark on her too.
Okay.
Okay.
So
So how can you just go
How
off
can
with
you say after him?
somebody? I struck her.
I don't
I
know.
never struck her.
Listen,
me
you're
talk to
his
him.
manager,
talk to him.
not his
I never struck
attorney.
that girl.
I'm not going to debate this with you. Come on, listen.
I'm doing
I get it.
We'll do it. Not you. We'll do it.
They're going to do it. Okay? You don't walk up on cops doing their job. And if I tell you to back up, I'm going to tell you to back up. So I'm going to tell you to back up. Now I'm going to do it this way.
I'm right here.
No, I want you to back up. That's how we're going to do it. You don't walk up on cops doing something.
I wasn't walking
Especially
up.
when someone tells you not to.
You didn't see it, sir. He had his property.
It doesn't matter.
I was gonna pay-
It doesn't matter.
It does matter.
We'll give you his property
If
when
he's-
we're ready to give you the property.
He was giving it to him. He was
Okay.
handing it to me as keys. You see, I have them in my
Leave.
hand.
Leave.
Come on, AC,
Go.
work.
Bye.
All right, so we're gonna go in, get your shirt on, and we'll wait a little bit, and we'll take it from there. You wanna hold your shirt?
You got it?
Davis wurde verhaftet und angeklagt. Jedoch wurde er zu keiner Gefängnisstrafe verurteilt und die Anklage wurde fallen gelassen, nachdem sie zugab, dass er sie nie geschlagen hatte. Was haltet ihr davon? Lasst in den Kommentaren eure Meinung darüber da, ob die Polizei gute Arbeit geleistet hat. Vergesst nicht, das Video zu liken und zu teilen.